Hello and welcome to another video on the Ray Law International channel. If you have dreams of starting a business in the United States but are not a US citizen or permanent resident, you might be wondering how to make those dreams a reality. Well, you're in the right place. The E-1 and E-2 visas are powerful tools that can help you turn your business idea into a thriving reality. Whether you're an investor or entrepreneur, these visas are unique pathways to bring your talents and innovations to the US market. So what exactly are the E-1, E-2 visas? The E-1 visa, also known as the Treaty Trader visa, is designed for individuals from countries that have a treaty of commerce and navigation with the United States. It allows you to engage in international trade between your home country and the United States. On the other hand, the E-2 visa, known as the Treaty Investor visa, is for those who wish to invest a substantial amount of capital in the U.S. business. Whether you're importing goods, providing services, or creating jobs, these visas can be your ticket to building a successful business venture in the United States. Now, you may be wondering, how do I secure these visas? The process can be complex, but with the right guidance and preparation, it's entirely achievable. Are you an entrepreneur looking to start or increase your trade with the United States? The E-1 visa might be the perfect solution for you. Let me explain what the E-1 visa is, how it works, and the requirements you need to meet to qualify. The E-1 visa, also known as the Treaty Trader visa, is designed for individuals or companies engaged in substantial international trade between the United States and their home country. To be eligible for an E-1 visa, you must meet several criteria. Firstly, you must be a national of a country that has a qualifying treaty of commerce and navigation with the United States. These treaties aim to facilitate and promote trade between the two countries. Currently, there are over 80 countries with treaties in place, including the United Kingdom, Canada, Japan, and many others. It's essential to check if your country is on the list before proceeding. Secondly, you must demonstrate substantial trade between your home country and the United States. This involves continuous and significant exchange of goods, services, or technology. Qualifying trade can include the exchange of goods, such as machinery, agricultural products, or electronics, as well as services like consulting, engineering, or tourism. Additionally, to qualify for the E-1 visa, you must either own the trading company or be employed in a supervisory or executive role or possess the essential skills necessary for the efficient operation of the enterprise. What is the process for E-1 visas? Now, let's talk about the application process. The first step is to file Form DS-160 online non-immigrant visa application through the U.S. Department of State website. Along with the application, you'll need to submit various supporting documents, including evidence of your company's trade activities, proof of your nationality, and a detailed business plan outlining your intentions in the United States. Once your application is complete, you'll be required to attend an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. During the interview, you'll have the opportunity to discuss your business plans and demonstrate your eligibility for the E-1 visa. In conclusion, the E-1 visa offers a fantastic opportunity for individuals and companies engaged in substantial international trade to expand their operations in the United States. By understanding the requirements and following the application process diligently, you can set yourself up for success in pursuing your business goals in the U.S. Let's get that E-2 visa. Are you an entrepreneur looking to start or expand your business in the United States? The E-2 visa might be the perfect solution for you. Let me explain what the E-2 visa is, how it works, and the requirements you need to meet to qualify. The E-2 visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows entrepreneurs and investors from certain countries to enter and work in the United States based on a substantial investment in a U.S. business. To qualify for an E-2 visa, you must be a citizen of a country that has a treaty of commerce and navigation with the United States. Additionally, you must invest a substantial amount of capital in a U.S. business. The investment must be in an active, for-profit enterprise and must be a real and operating commercial enterprise. Passive investments such as purchasing stocks or real estate for appreciation purposes do not qualify. What is the process for the E-2 visa? Once you've made the investment, you can apply for the E-2 visa. You'll need to submit Form DS-160 along with supporting documents such as your business plan, financial statements, and proof of your investment. If your application is approved, you'll be granted an initial period of stay in the United States, typically up to 2 years. You can renew your E-2 visa indefinitely as long as you continue to meet the requirements. One of the great things about the E-2 visa is that it also allows your spouse and unmarried children under the age of 21 to accompany you to the United States. Your spouse is automatically authorized to work in the United States, and there is no need to apply for a work permit. The E-2 visa is an excellent option for entrepreneurs and investors who want to start or expand their business in the United States. By making a substantial investment and meeting the necessary requirements, you can live and work in the United States while pursuing your entrepreneurial dreams. While it's not strictly required to have an attorney to process an E-1 or E-2 visa, most individuals and companies choose to hire us due to the complex nature of the immigration process. Here are some 6 reasons why Ray Law International on your side can be beneficial. Immigration law can be complex and constantly changing. Immigration attorneys are well versed in the requirements, procedures, and potential pitfalls associated with E-1 and E-2 visas. They can provide valuable guidance throughout the application process. We can assist in preparing the necessary documentation and completing the application accurately. Mistakes or omissions in the application can lead to delays or even denials, so having an experienced immigration attorney reviewing everything can help ensure a smoother process. Each case is unique, and an experienced immigration attorney can assess your specific situation and develop a customized strategy to maximize your chances of success. We can advise on the best approach to meet the requirements of the E-1 or E-2 visa. We can communicate with the USCIS or U.S. Embassy on your behalf. We can also represent you in any interviews or hearings that may be required as part of the visa application process. In case of complications or challenges during the application process, having an immigration attorney provides you with additional legal representation and protection. We can advocate for your rights and interests and resolve issues more efficiently. Visa applications involve significant investment in terms of time, effort, and sometimes money. We can help mitigate the risk of visa denial or delays, which can impact your plans for living or even doing business in the United States. While hiring an immigration attorney may involve additional costs, many of our clients find that the benefits outweigh the expenses, especially considering the potential long-term consequences of visa denials or delays. However, it's essential to choose a reputable and experienced immigration attorney to ensure the best possible outcome for your E-1 or E-2 visa application. In the dynamic landscape of immigration law, Ray Law International stands out as a trusted partner for companies navigating the E-1 or E-2 process. With a deep understanding of DOS and USCIS policies and a commitment to client success, the firm helps organizations and businesses secure the visas they need. Ray Law International remains dedicated to guiding clients through the complexities of immigration law and ensuring visa success. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay informed, stay educated, and stay on the right immigration path.